Tridiagonal Process Engineering Private Limited, established on 1st of April 2009 as a subsidiary of Tridiagonal Solutions Private Limited. This company basically imparts intention to deliver to the customer the end-to-end solution of the process engineering from lab scale, pilot scale to the commercial scale. We are delivering all orders 100% customized. So for each order, to understand to the entire team member what we are delivering, so there should be one common communication language to remove that fear factor basically. So that was the challenge. We as a Tridiagonal found that Solid Edge has become a communication language for all engineers, vendor or supply chain.
Synchronous technology was much easier when we compared it what we thought initially. Apart from tutorials, we didn't need any training, and the design team of Tridiagonal was productive within 4 days.
Siemens PLM synchronous technology differs from other CAD packages on the basis that the drawings are developed strictly as per the engineering methodology, terminology and the ethics of the engineering standards. Once the Solid Edge we came to know this is a Siemens product, that is the basic driving force for us to go for Solid Edge.
Earlier, using CAD drawings, it is difficult to make the plannings for design. Using synchronous technology, we can make 3D models for difficult parts and we can get delivery to the client in short time.
Solid Edge is specifically made for the needs of manufacturing. So the manufacturing strategies or the methodologies or the procedures are taken into consideration while making the drawing and designs into Solid Edge.
In the initial stage of implementing synchronous technology, we started off by moving 30 to 40% of our design work to synchronous modeling. But within very short span of time, and currently all our design related activities are done in synchronous environment.
Our customers always sends us different type of formats of the 3D or 2D drawings, getting ideas understood for their requirement. So at that time, Solid Edge has inbuilt different type of a translator, like for example .IGS, .STP, .STL, which gives us lot of flexibility.
As compared to traditional 3D, synchronous 3D is much easier for editing and operating for 3D models, even though if it is an irregular shape.
In Solid Edge, what we have observed or experienced, almost 99.9% there is never any loss of any data or files or lines.
ST3 and its method of handling the geometry has totally changed the editing concepts.
Because of the Solid Edge synchronous technology, the culture has been developed into each and every engineer. I can do the complicated things, or I have an idea, I will implement in Solid Edge. Solid Edge will respond me whether this can be possible or not. So now the company is run by the employees' innovation and not by the management's innovation philosophy.
We can use piping, structure, bill of material, skids, and it gives us 100% results about any production drawing that we already get.
More than 40% there is a reduction on the life cycle or the delivery cycle of the entire project. So that time can be calculated as an increase in the profit. Quality has been increased because the reality and the drawing development are synchronous with each other because of the synchronous technology.
Tridiagonal design team experiences great while using Solid Edge ST3 and its support from GTAC PLM and our channel partner AR Technology. They are always ready to support us at any time and at any stage.
I will recommend Solid Edge basically to start in our country to make a culture of a designer country like Italy or Germany. Every industry should go for a Solid Edge for their applications, their products, their needs, their challenges, which Solid Edge will fulfill.